Jesse Adler. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing a what's inside take apart of this HP Deskjet 1513 printer. Let's go. This is my first time taking apart a printer, but so far it's been really easy. I just undid 4 screws on each corner here. 1 screw on each corner total. It came right off. This is all like inside of a piece. Kind of see in there. It's all enclosed for the scanner. And then underneath is all the good printing bits, like the motors and all that kind of stuff. I just got the slider with the print head on it out, and it's really cool. Over here on the back side you can see there's the motor, and it drives a gear right there which turns a belt which goes all the way over to here, and the print head is attached to the belt, so when the motor turns the print head goes along. It's pretty cool. I think I want to take the belt out and the motor out. And you guys have not seen this, but I've been trying to build a my own RC car into a die-cast car, and the biggest problem has been connecting the motor with the wheel. Gears have had a hard time working. I don't have any belts, but I have not uploaded the video because obviously I have not finished. But you can see there, that's a perfect belt. There's tons of gears in there, and there's other motors too. Yeah, I also haven't had a small enough motor. So yeah, I think this might work out quite well. So here it is. I've gotten pretty much everything out of there that I wanted out. You can see over here I've gotten a ton of little gears. I've gotten this motor and sort of drive shaft belt thingy where it goes like that and it spins this. I've gotten this, which I already showed you. But yeah, I think now it's time to get inside of this. This is the scanner. It's later in the day. Now I'm going to take apart the top assembly. And this houses the buttons, the control panel, so there'll be some nice stuff in there. And inside is this whole sensor thing that senses the paper. So yeah, let's get right into it. Very simple to take apart, and these are the parts that I'm going to save. I have this sheet of glass, if you can kind of see that. It's pretty big. It's going to be about the same size as a piece of paper, so a little larger than 8.5 by 11. But probably like 12 inches long and maybe 10 inches wide, I'm not sure. But here's the part that actually goes across the sheet of paper. Underneath you can see there's this little stepper motor there that moves it across. And there's this big sheet, I don't know if you can see that, there's some electronics. It looks like on the back of the motor there's a little sensor to see how far it's gone. But yeah, that's pretty cool. I took out the front control panel, lots of buttons to use with later projects, and some lights. And this is the top, not much to use in here. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, I hope you like this. I'll see you in one of these videos in a second, up there, down there, or over there. Bye.